Hi, this is the POCO F5 Pro and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press to the power key button, okay, I just turned off this option. Okay, so just to use the camera application or the flashlight by double press to the power key button, you could open first the settings, scroll to additional settings, tap to gesture shortcuts, and here you'll see the launch camera section. You could use the switcher near the double press the power button, and now by double press to the power key we could see that the camera app is activated. Also we could go back, tap to turn on torch and use the switcher, and now by double press to power button we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.